Okay, so I'm demoing Monodec now. It just went live today, and the whole point of this is that I want to be able to control mobile phones that have the page pulled up, and I want to be able to have sound play through them. It could be different types of sources, but treat them like a traditional sound diffusion scenario. So you can see that there's a setup like this in a triangular setup, or let's just go to horizontal at the moment. So right now I have it set up horizontal, and if I get close to 0, then you can see that this line emerges and audio starts playing through the first one. And on their screen, you can see that they're giving a visual indicator that audio is playing. And the other ones don't have any audio at the moment. But as I move closer to 0 and 1, then both should be having audio play. You can see that happening there. So 0 and 1, but not 2. And when I get over to 2, over here, then 2 has the audio playing too. And I can change the visual setup. Let's say that we have a concert setting where there's people sitting in a triangle and I want to have all 3 of them having audio being played. Then I can say that this is the strength of the signal as I get closer, but all of them should have equal control parameters for their loudness. Another thing that we can do is send a sound file or have a sound file play. I'm not close to any of these sources, so we don't hear anything, but as I get closer back to 1, then we should be able to hear and see audio is coming out through 1. And like we had before, when we moved to 0, 1, and 2, over here like this in a triangular pattern, all 3 of them should be having audio. And then we should be able to sweep through sounds if we wanted to make it so that maybe a smooth transition between 0, 1, and 2, or all 3, depending on the scenario. So I'm going to move over here and then sort of move through it. Great. That's Monodec.